Hi everyone, this is John with the Patient Technology Program at Mott Children's Hospital and Build Up Mobile. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a fish and a squid. Here are all the parts we will need to build the fish and the squid. You may be thinking it looks a lot like the pieces we used for the parrot, the frog, the fly, and the plant, because they are. To start, we are going to get our 2x4 brick and our long 2x6 green plate. We're going to take the green plate and put it right here. Brick. Next, we're going to get our inverted slope, and it's going to go right in front of our orange brick, right here. Next, we're going to get our other green 2x6 plate. It's going to go right here on this side. So we have these pieces right in the middle. Next, we're going to get another inverted slope, and it's going to go all the way back here. Now we're going to get another inverted slope, but our smaller white one, and it's going to go right in front of our bigger green inverted slope. Next, we're going to go to the other side and get our other big green inverted slope, put it all the way back here. And now we're going to get another inverted slope, our tiny white one, and put it right here. So both sides are looking exactly the same. Next, we're going to get our 1x2 brick with the studs on the side. We're going to put it right here in the middle. Next, we're going to get another 2x4 brick, and it's going right here behind our green piece. Next, we're going to get two more of our 1x2 bricks with studs on the side. We're going to put one here, and we're going to get another one and put it right here. Now we're going to get our jumper plate and put it right here on the two side studs. Now we're going to find our little eyepiece. It's going right here in the middle of our jumper plate. And now we're going over to this side. We're going to get another jumper plate, and we're going to put it right here. And we're going to get another little eye, and it's going right here. So our fish is coming along. Now we're going to get one of our 2x2 round plates, and it's going right here. And this is going to be the mouth of our fish. Now we're going to get these guys, and one is going right here. There we go. We're going to get the other one right here, giving our fish a little bit of a head. Next, we're going to get another 2x2 round, and it's going right here on top of our green slope. And we're going to get another one to lock these two pieces together. So this one's not going anywhere. And that's going to give our fish a little bit of a fin. Now we're going to this side, and we're going to do the same thing right here. So we're going to get another 2x2 round, put it on top of the inverted slope, and we're going to get another one to lock them all together. There we go. Now our fish has some cool fins. Now we're going to get another 2x4 brick and we're going to put it right here to continue the fish's tail. And now we're going to get our big pink curved pieces and we're going to put one right here, and without trying to break this off, put it right here. There we go. And we're going to get another one right here. And now it's time to build the squid. For our squid, we're going to start with our 2 bracket pieces right here. And we are going to get our last 1x2 brick with the studs on the side. So we're going to take this and put one right here. And we're going to get the other bracket and put it right here. So there's some stuff on the back we can attach to. And we're going to get our last 2x4 brick, and it's going right back here, locking all of these together. Next, we're going to get our cool purple piece. It looks kind of like some fins, but what we're going to do is put it right here behind our bracket, and it's going to become part of the squid's head. Next, we are going to get another jumper plate, and it's going right here on top of these side studs. And now we're going to get another one of our eyes. We're going to put it right on top of that jumper plate. And now we're going to do the same thing on this side. So we're going to get another jumper plate, put it right here, get another eye piece, put it right on top of that, and here we go. Our squid's coming together. Next, we're going to get our 1x4 plate purple piece, and it's going right on top of these 2 studs, right in the middle, so it's sticking off on each side. Next, we're going to get our 2x2 brick, and we're going to put it right on these 2 bumps on our purple piece, kind of making the squid's mouth. Now we're going to get our little antenna pieces, and we're going to put one right here. There we go. And the other right here. And that kind of finishes off the squid's mouth with its little tentacles. Next, we're going to get our big pink curves. We're going to put them right on top of our green piece, so one goes right there, and the other goes right here. That makes more of our squid's tentacles. Next, we're going to get our shiny gold piece, and we're going to put it right here next to our big pink curves. And this little gold piece, it's sticking out over the pink ones, just like this. Next, we're going to get our cheese wedges, these little guys right here, our 1x1 slopes, and we're going to put them right here in front of our gold piece. So one is going right here, and the other goes right next to it. There we go. Next, we're going to get these guys. One goes right here. There we go. And the other goes right next to it. And now for our final part, our 2x2 round. It's gonna go right here underneath our white curves. So we're gonna put this right here. And now we have our fish and our squid.